Okay, welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah, this is Williams, and in our today's video I'll be teaching you on how to shift a 5-speed manual, on how to drive a 5-speed manual. We'll be starting from the start, how you can drive and how you can shift a 5-speed manual. So without wasting much of your time, please, if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit the like button, and thanks for your support. So let's get started. This is a 5-speed manual, like I said, 5-speed. So provided I'm on the clutch right now. This is gear 1 and that's gear 2, that's gear 3, gear 4 and gear 5. That's a pattern, just like the way they've labeled it here. That's how you go about it. So we start, I'll engage to gear 1. So that's gear 1. That's gear 1. I'll start letting go of the clutch. This is a diesel vehicle. It's very easy to drive a diesel. So that was gear 1. I'll now engage to gear 2. That's gear 2. That was gear 2. I'll now engage to gear 3. So gear 3 is just you push it, it comes to the neutral position, then you push it. That is gear 3. So that was gear 3. I'll engage to gear 4 just for the sake of learning. I'll engage it to gear 4. That was gear 4. Well, for the sake of those that are learning, I'm sorry for that. This is gear 3. So I'll engage to gear 4. So from gear 4, it's just right from gear 3, you come direct. That is gear 4. That was gear 4. Then gear 5. Gear 5 is just direct from here. That was gear 5. Then the change down, neutral, that is gear 4. Then gear 3, gear 2, then gear 1. Then that's a neutral position.